man turns 18 and signs a contract. He trains for 70 consecutive days. He gets to know every inch of his M16A4 rifle. Then, he earns the right to be called a jarhead.
Listen up, Marines. Mission is a go. You'll be extracting a high-value individual from the Garmza district. Her name is Anoush Hassan. The Taliban wants her dead. Washington wants her alive.
Keep an eye on that ridge. Look for snipers.
RPG!
5 of our Marines are missing.
Oh, let's not write them off.
They're supply Marines.
They're Marines. We all get scared sometimes. It's what you do when you're under pressure that matters.
Short on water, short on ammo, and everybody in this province going for us. It's not to like.
Love being a Marine. Hoorah!